Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at mounting my Ring Video Doorbell 3. So first I took off my old doorbell here. I'm going to use the battery-powered one, so I'm not going to be connecting this into the wires. I'm just going to run it on battery. And now I'm going to take my Ring doorbell. I'm just going to pop the sides off of it here, levering up from the bottom too, just to take this whole assembly off. Here we go, that's coming off. And now I'm going to mount this onto the wall, and I'm basically going to use these two holes on the side. Now if I was going into, actually 4 holes, if I was going to go into like drywall or something, I would install anchors first, but here I'm going to go straight into the wood siding on my house. So I'm going to go ahead and use just 4 screws. But first I want to put this on the wall, find the point where I want it, which is going to be right there. And then I'm going to use the little bubble level that comes with it to make sure that it's totally level before I screw these in. Okay, so I've got my little bubble level in. I've got my screwdriver. This top piece pops in and out, so I want to make sure it is the Phillips head side that's facing in there. Now I'm going to put this on the wall, make it level, and put the screws in. Okay, so I'm just screwing these in. I've got 2 on the sides. I'm going to do the 2 bottom ones. Okay, it's nice and level and secure, and I'm going to just pop this bubble level off. I'm going to take the cover off of this now that I've mounted it. It doesn't need to be protected there anymore. And then finally I'm going to put the cover back on here. Okay, so just pushing that back into place. And then the final step, I'm going to take my screwdriver here, pop out the Phillips head part, flip it around to this proprietary ring screw here. And then I'm going to find the screw for that in the kit. And then I'm just going to screw that into the bottom here, and that keeps the faceplate on. And because it's this proprietary screw design, it'd be a lot harder for somebody to come along and take that off and disable the camera on here. So that's the concept, and we screw that in. And there we go. The Ring Video Doorbell 3, nicely mounted on the side of my house.